Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of sun-dried tomatoes. Those intensely flavorful and versatile gems that can elevate your dishes to a whole new level. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking novice, stay tuned as we explore everything you need to know about sun-dried tomatoes. What are sun-dried tomatoes? So, what exactly are sun-dried tomatoes? Well, they're simply ripe tomatoes that have been dehydrated to remove most of their water content. This process intensifies their flavor, giving you a concentrated burst of tomato goodness in every bite. How are sun-dried tomatoes made? Let's take a look at the fascinating process of making sun-dried tomatoes. Traditionally, they are left to dry in the sun, but nowadays, many are oven-dried or dehydrated. The tomatoes are typically sliced, salted, and then left to dry for several days until they achieve that perfect chewy texture. Types of tomatoes used. Not all tomatoes are created equal when it comes to sun-drying. Some varieties, like Roma tomatoes, are preferred for their meaty texture and low moisture content. These characteristics make them ideal for the drying process, resulting in a more flavorful end product. Culinary uses. Now that we know how sun-dried tomatoes are made, let's talk about how to use them in the kitchen. From pasta sauces to salads, pizzas, and even homemade dips, the possibilities are endless. Today, I'll be making a delicious sun-dried tomato and basil pesto pasta. Let's get cooking. Health benefits. Beyond their incredible taste, sun-dried tomatoes pack a nutritional punch. They're a great source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Plus, they add a burst of umami to your dishes without the need for excessive salt. Storage tips. To make the most of your sun-dried tomatoes, it's essential to store them properly. Keep them in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. You can also store them in olive oil for added flavor. Remember, a little goes a long way. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to sun-dried tomatoes. Whether you're a culinary adventurer or just looking to enhance your everyday meals, these little wonders are sure to become a pantry staple. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty update. Until next time, happy cooking. End screen. Display links to other related videos or recipes featuring sun-dried tomatoes.